Welcome back to our channel, boys and girls. It's me, Vichy Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Xoom Money. So for those people who do not know Xoom Money is a corporation which is linked with PayPal. So if you guys have a PayPal account, you guys can, link your PayPal account with Xoom Corporation, and you guys can create yourself a Xoom account as well. But if you guys don't have a PayPal, you can also create yourself a Xoom Corporation not linked with PayPal, all right? So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. Its basic function is to send and receive money, all right? So before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on, shall we? First step is you want to search for Xoom Money, Xoom Money. After you do that, you just want to click on where it says sign in Xoom, a PayPal service. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the sign in page. Now, if you guys have a PayPal account, you can just click on login with PayPal, and you guys can use our PayPal's ID and log in into Xoom. If you guys don't have a PayPal, you can click on the second option where it says login with Xoom. Once you click on login with Xoom, you need to enter like an email address. After you enter your email address like this, like I did, you just want to enter the password of your account. After you enter the password of your account, you need to click on login with Xoom. Once you do that, you should be able to log in with Xoom. So it's that simple. Hope you guys are able to understand. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, it's me, Vichy Kevin, signing up. Bye bye.